How to get the most out of the TD Visa Infinite. Unlocking the full potential of your TD Visa Infinite card can enhance your financial flexibility and add value to everyday spending. In this guide, we'll discuss some top tips to maximize the benefits of this prestigious card. First, make sure to take full advantage of the welcome bonus, which often offers a significant points boost for spending a certain amount within the first few months. Keep an eye out for promotional offers and try to meet the spending criteria to earn those bonus points. Regularly using your card for groceries, dining, and travel can rack up points efficiently. Remember to review the reward categories that offer the highest returns and tailor your spending to align with these categories. Using the TD Rewards or Aeroplan platforms, you can redeem these points for travel, merchandise, or statement credits. The TD Visa Infinite Card comes with valuable travel insurance perks. Coverage often includes travel medical insurance, trip interruption, and lost baggage coverage. Before heading on your travels, verify your coverage details to ensure peace of mind without needing to purchase additional insurance. Enjoy access to exclusive events, dining experiences, and entertainment offers through the Visa Infinite Benefits program. Take advantage of concierge services for making reservations or travel plans, which can streamline your experience and provide unique opportunities. Stay vigilant for discounts or deals with TD Visa Infinite's partner merchants. These offers can provide extra savings and enhance your card's value. Lastly, keep an eye on your account online or via the mobile app to monitor spending, ensure timely payments, and review your reward points balance. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.